Hello, welcome. My name is Thomas from KOMA. With over 80 years of experience in cooling and conditioning, we truly have become specialists in par-baked frozen, frozen dough, and dough retarding solutions. In the following video, we'll show you how these bakery solutions are integrated to create high-end products at Kenis bakery in Belgium. You will see our blast freezer, dough storage freezer, recovery, and slow proofing solutions. Let's have a look. In this video, we will show you the following three main topics: par-baked frozen, frozen dough, and dough retarding. Par-baked frozen is used to be able to quickly respond if there is a late demand coming from shops due to a possible shortage of products. When it comes to par-baked frozen, products go directly into the proofer after production. When proofed, either by overnight slow proofing or full proofing, they will become partially baked. The products are then chilled and ready for the blast freezer. This can take place in a tunnel like the KOMA KTT Blizzard, Industrial Blast Freezer IBF, or even with Bell solutions. Blast freezing in the tunnel takes in between 15 to 45 minutes to complete. It is then transported directly into storage freezing to await further recovering, proving, baking, or handling. Another option is to pack the products and then store them in a different freezer for a longer period, up to several weeks. Dough goes directly to the blast freezer once produced. Blast freezers reach product core temperatures of -7 degrees Celsius and lower in just a few minutes. Because of this, the product has smaller ice crystals, less dehydration, and thus better quality. Once the dough has reached its required core temperature, it can be maintained up to 14 days in a dough storage freezer. The main reason for this is to create products whenever you see fit. You can then better manage production lines and personnel costs. You can either start the proving process with fresh made or frozen dough. To prove frozen dough, you first need to bring the temperature back up to approximately 15 degrees Celsius. A solution is our KOMA recovery that adds heat and humidity phased in time. Once the dough has reached the required temperature, you can place the trolley in the proofer. We also have other industrial solutions for slow proofing, like the spiral or belt. Via the K control unit, you can program all phases of the proofing process. The process can be delayed up to 48 hours with an adjusted slow proofing temperature. You can also use the original proofing temperatures and humidities retained from heat recuperation of the technical installation. After proofing, you can bake the product. Proofing, or retarded proofing, is an essential part of every bakery. We have multiple solutions and can help you design the production process. We just saw the video at Kenis bakery where they use our blast freezing, recovery, and slow proofing solutions. Do you want to know more about our bakery solutions for your products? Don't hesitate. Reach out to us after the live stream via the chat or mail. Enjoy the next presentation.